time lived a little bird which was adorable. It lived with an owner named Ali, and the owner was very nice and owned a very nice house. It was very big and very, very nice. However, they had so many fans. One a lion, a frog, some frogs, but not one. Everyone, but not one cat. It lived in a little adorable house, which had so many spiders and so many cobwebs, because the cat was very poor. The cat did not have an owner, which is why the cat decided one day to get rid of all the lights that the bird takes. When the bird was sleeping one night, he gave money to the owner. He asked the owner, "Would you like money in exchange for your bird? In exchange that you go out and leave the bird and become my owner?" The girl agreed and got paid. And when the bird woke up, he saw that there was no owner for him. So he was looking around his house. He could not find them anywhere. He looked outside the house, not find. Any. Until one day, when he was passing through the cat house to ask the cat if the cat seen anyone. The cat quickly told the owner to hide, and then the bird felt suspicious. So once the cat was sleeping in its room, the bird sneakily went inside the house, moved the cat outside of the house, and grabbed its owner and said, "What are you doing?" The owner replied, I'm getting money. The cat's new owner, not yours. I will pay you $1,000 if you be my owner. The girl agreed again. Like that, again and again, the girl was moving houses and houses and houses until the girl finally died. But the cat had no one to look after it. But the bird said, "Why are you upset, cat?" And the cat replied, "It's because you have all the money, and I have no money at all. I gave it all to that girl, and now I can give you my money." And they both live happily ever after the end. And they all live happily. The end.